Oh, morning everybody, Stacksmart here again, and yeah, fantastic day in the markets yesterday. The funnel finally broke, but instead of it breaking downside as I was expecting, it broke to the upside. So I had been targeting 14-ish for the funnel. But it seems that the funnel wants to break to the upside. Now, I've been stung a couple of times by these head and shoulder patterns before on silver, so I'm beginning not to trust them. And but as I've said in previous videos, I'll probably fish one out at some point. When you're funnel trading, at the end of the funnel either breaks down or up. So in this case we've got an upside break, and the next stage on this particular break is to revisit the funnel. So I think we're going to go back towards the green dotted line at 16.8ish, revisit that funnel, and then we'll be back up on the upside again. So a lot of trolls on the last video, which is fine. You can't get it right all the time as far as break wise, but I think I did say on my last video. Let's see if I can fish it out for you. A little bit slow on here today. I'm just going to play the first part of this video that I put together on the 5th. What happens at the end of a funnel.
I, Jerica Benton, am living the most
Oh, morning everybody,
the volume,
it's Stacksmart here again. I've got a bit of a cold today, so I'm a little bit bunged up. But, yeah, interesting week for the markets this week. After me saying it's boring, it started being really choppy, didn't it? Just after I said it was boring, and then it did all this choppiness. And the question that I'm going to answer today is, what happens at the end of a funnel? Now, those of you who've been with me a while, we've been tracking this funnel. Started off at 14ish, and then moved up to 18.5, then tracked back down to 15.5, back up to 17.5, and then as you can see it's funneling closer and closer to like a point. Now I've drawn in the next non-farms payroll day, which is this coming Friday on the 7th of May. And the answer to that question is, what happens at the end of a funnel is either capitulation or rally. They either spike up.
There you go. So what happens at the end of a funnel? Capitulation or rally. So here we go. We're starting to see a rally to the upside, and if this particular funnel breaks down and we pierce through the 17.442 element, then an upside break to $20 is possible off this move. So anyway, it's a short video today. Can't get everything right as far as direction off these funnels oftentimes, and I have found recently that these head and shoulder patterns in the silver market don't work so well. We've been tracking 2 head and shoulders in the last year, and neither of them worked properly to the downside as expected. So I'm going to add that to my arsenal for next time and not trust this particular pattern in the silver. Now, it's possible that this particular technical pattern may resolve later to the downside, but at the moment it's looking like an upside break towards the top edge of the funnel. So there you go. No picks today. I think we're going to be rocketing. We're probably going to revisit the funnel today around 16.8 unless it's very dramatic, the rally that we're going to get. Normally after an upside break like that, it comes back into the funnel and then rallies again. So that's where we are today. Hope you're all well, and yeah, let's stack smart together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe below, and yeah, let's stack smart together. Have a great day.